Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back again to my space. Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to be taking you on a cooking journey with me. It's been a while we do this together, so let's just cook together. So, here I've mixed my grounded pepper with my melon and I added some water just to make it into a paste. I'm just mixing everything well to incorporate everything well. Yeah, so there are different ways I cook my egusi soup, but I find this way, this cooking method, a very easier method and faster method for me. So I'm using just stockfish and momo for it, just a quick japa soup, so it's not something so big like that. So now I added my palm oil and I added my egusi paste. I'm dashing it inside the palm oil little by little, so that is what you see me doing there. As you can see, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the way I cook my egusi soup. There are different ways of cooking it because we have different ways because we have different egusi soup. We have the Jebu ones, we have the Yoruba egusi, and all sort of. So don't mind me, I've been battling with cold and water recently, so my voice is not that audible or clear. I'm so sorry about that, but I have to do this video like I have to do it. So yeah, I'm just frying it for a bit. Frying my egusi for a bit. I just need to fry it for a bit. Then, oh sorry, I forgot to tell you that I sliced onions in the egusi when I was mixing it. So you can see that in the video from the beginning. So yeah, after frying it for some minutes, I added the water. I added my water to it, a little bit of water, not to be much. So I added water to it and just stir it together. I'm just stirring it together to combine it well. Please and please, if you are new, please join the family. Please join the family. So I added my proteins into it, and I always love to add my either stockfish, momo to it very early so that it can soften it and make sense now. She gets. So I added my momo and stockfish to it, my proteins, then allow it to boil to cook for some minutes again. Then I opened it and stir it all together just to see what it looks like. So please and please guys, I need you to join the family. Please join us by subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and commenting your view, your observation. Thank you so much for always coming back, my returning subscribers. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So guys, before adding while I was adding my pomo and stockfish, I added my seasoning, my mangi and salt to taste. And don't forget though, just because I did not mention it in the video doesn't mean that you should not add though. You will add, but it won't be much. So depending on your taste bud. So I added my ugu after saying that okay, I'm okay with the cook with the egusi look, and I can add my ugu to it. Please and please let me speak my motherland language. Mo ṣàwá da ugu mi sí. So I'm just stirring it all together. Mo make everything gbogbo ẹ̀ kó wọnú ara wọn. Ṣàyè yín. Fẹ́ kó gbogbo ẹ̀ kó wọnú ara wọn. Fẹ́ kí ẹ̀gúsí yẹn kó wọnú ugu, kí ugu kó wọnú ẹ̀gúsí. Alright guys, so I was just stirring all together, just making sure that everything is incorporated well. everything combines together very well. Like the ugu combines well with the egusi, the proteins and everything. So that is what you see me doing there. Please and please, if you love this video, if you love everything about this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, please join the family, subscribe, and comment your view, like my videos, share my videos. Please and please support me on this journey. I'll be grateful to you if you do. So just making sure that everything is okay with my soup. That thing you see me doing, beating the spoon on the pot, like who do, who in this Nigeria doesn't do that? As a woman, as a lady, tell me you don't do that. You tap the spoon on the pot, like the edge of the pot. Anyway, my egusi is done and I'm serving my people as usual. After cooking now to shop with that now, so we have to serve. So I'm serving my people. So I'm serving this with wheat. I don't know if you know what we call it. So I'm serving this with wheat. And yes, after serving, I just decided to take a short video, a short clip about what it looks like in the pot. Oh, see the face now. Look at it now. See now. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know you're thinking. What would you have this with? Rice, amala, fufu, or pounded yam, or what exactly? Let me know in the comment section, guys. You know I always love you. Thank you for keeping in touch with me.